food review.
I think I want to eat.
I got
eat
chocolate croissant.
I could eat a slice of bread.
I got an
Almond sandwiches. Oh my god, I flattened it.
almond croissant and a caramel latte. So all the caramels at the bottom.
You gotta try it.
Caramel latte just tastes like milk. And caramel at the bottom.
It's hot.
I got it. Look here. Good? Very cinnamony.
The only thing I could agree on is bread. That's all I'm gonna do.
Because I don't know what it's like.
All done.
Peanuts.
But back.
Do you have the water right now? Do you have his water?
His water, yeah.
The transportation.
I think it's the back.
Are they doing A already?
Nobody wants to see you, bro. They want to see this view. Look at this view. Day 2 in Hawaii. Man, this is a shitty ass view. I don't really know what I'm doing today. I think we're about to walk around. Got Lays. Okay, we got the famous Dole Whip. Here, you eat it first.
Me?
Yeah,
okay.
You eat it. And then you get me. It's good?
So good.
Really? Which one's yours? This one?
Yeah, that one's yours. It's good. I don't think it has dairy in it.
Second scoop.
Second scoop.
Not good.
Wow, you guys tried it too.
So the Dole Whip was too sweet. We want some to eat. Something salty, preferably. So in a food hall.
Garlic shrimp. Or what's on it?
I don't know. Okay, I have a question for you.
What's your question?
Is Hawaii what you expected? Like the look and everything. Is it what you expected?
I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Waikiki's pretty cool. I like all the the scenery. I like it. I think that's what we anticipated.
I remember when I was in like, I'd say like 6th or 7th grade. I said I wanted to go to Hawaii, and then like when I said that, I would like envision myself like sitting on a beach chair at the beach, stuff like that, and it was like really cool sunset, or it's like really sunny, and that's literally what we got. So
hey, I mean, you're right.
I'm satisfied with what we got.
Too. I think
Like, it's like we're in the jungle.
Honestly, good scenery, good places.
Yep.
Nice architecture.
Yeah, but then we're kind of messing it up right now because we're supposed to be eating Hawaiian stuff, but we're going to Cane's.
You saw a
Because that
Cane's
place
sign.
was, dude, that place had nobody.
It's true.
It had nobody in it, so I got skeptical. Like, why is nobody eating it if, you know?
If it's so good.
If it was good, then everybody would be eating it.
You're right.
Look, it's a jungle. Okay, so coming from a California boy who eats Raising Cane's all the time, I will review this Raising Cane's in Hawaii. Let's see. Let's see.
The same as California.
I mean, it's good, but
It's not what you're trying to eat in Hawaii. It's the same, chicken the same.
I'm just kidding, they're the same. Nothing's different. I was hoping it was different, so like, you know, it's
So
like
when you feel
Hawaiian, yeah, like I'm just eating from California, you know. Oh my goodness.
This guy's ballsy.
Oh my, hold out, hold out.
Chase, which ball do you want? You want this one? Okay. We'll take the ball, but can I give it to him now? Okay. You want the ball? Okay, good. Oh. Thank you. Say thank you, Chase.
So essentially the first part of the experience is taking a step into Snoopy's imagination.
Wow,
Is he making
this is so cool.
Actually, we don't have any cruise this. So after find the captain, back to here, then bring back the captain.
Ah!
Spider roll, everyone. Spider roll. Spider roll.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. No.
Yeah. 100%. 100%. How do you like it? Yeah? He nods his head.
No.
More, I think more broad than anything.
It's too dark.
So we're like stop and rest.
Hi ho. Hi ho.
Hey everyone, I hope y'all are enjoying the video so far. Unfortunately, I didn't film the rest of the day that much, and instead I just took some photos of what I did, so I'm here to just quickly explain the rest of day 3 for y'all. Before going to the swap meet, we actually got malasadas at Leonard's Bakery, which were pretty good, although I only tried the custard flavor, so I'm not too sure how the rest of the flavors that they had tasted, but my family said that they were pretty good. After the swap meet, I went to the beach where I buried myself into the sand. And finally for dinner, we had some Korean barbecue that I don't remember the name of, but it's whatever because it wasn't anything special.
That's my little brother.
Awesome.
What is this?
Henna.
Oh, cool. here on a little H&M shopping trip in Hawaii, and off the rip, they definitely just have like way more stuff than Cali, bro. There's like crazy amounts of stuff. It's pretty good. Oh no, I don't like ripped jeans. This might be a good find right here. I don't know. We'll get to looking.